channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Pooja Galot Barsawaya and I will be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you that what's in my bag. So I'm going to take out the things very randomly and there is no particular order that I'm going to follow to it. So let's start. So we are in a kind of COVID period. So the most important thing right now in my bag is an hand sanitizer. Actually, we need this every time and I carry this in my every bag, so I don't want to ask anyone else for the sanitizer. And my hand sanitizer bottle has been attached with my bag so that I don't forget it anywhere. So yeah, we should sanitize our hand regularly. I like to carry the big handbags, as you can see, because I carry a whole lot of stuff in my bag, which I think the big bags can only do, not the smaller one. Actually, I think I carry my entire whole house in a bag. So yeah, I like to carry the big bags. So again, the most important thing in my bag is the face mask. As you can see, I carry 1, 2, 3 face masks with me because you never know who needs it. Then I have my wallet in my bag, which has money, some cards, my driving license, my Aadhaar card, and yeah, the most important, my house key. I don't keep my house key अलग से in my car या in my bag because मैं खो देती हूँ हमेशा, so I keep it in my bag and I'm careless, so मुझे संभाल के रखनी पड़ती है. Then the most important thing in my bag is my AirPods, which I carry with me always because I am a huge music buff, so I have to. Then I carry a small diary with me and yeah, the mouth fresheners, the peppermints, which I got from Amazon, and the Tic Tac. Then I have, yeah, my favorite moisturizer, the Nivea Soft Cream. So I carry every possible things in my bag, so that may be weird of me a lot. And then there is my power bank, the most important thing in my bag. Actually, in today's life, I think the charger is never enough and everybody needs a power bank, so I carry 2. And then I have my sunglasses. You can see they are so pretty. Actually, by putting it on me, I look super hot, as you can see. Then I have my favorite hand cream, the MAC Caffeine Coffee Hand Cream. Actually, इसकी fragrance बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. And then I have tissues. I think everyone carries it. Then I have this beautiful pouch with me, which every girls carry because it is a type of touch-up makeup which I carry with me. It has a compact, the blush, the sindoor, and many more. Then I have some body spray in my bag because you always need to be smelling nice, so I carry them with me in my bag. What else do I have? Yeah, the small comb. You can see it's so pretty. So I like to buy the small travel size things because it easily fits in your bag. It does not take enough space. If someone told me that I have to carry 3 people with me in my bag, then the one will be my makeup artist, of course my sister. I'm a huge makeup person and love to do makeup. So I will carry my sister with me rather than carrying my whole makeup stuff. Second will be my mom. I'm a very foodie person and I love to eat ghar ka khana, so I will carry my mom with me. And third will be the love of my life, of course, Yogesh. Then the most important thing in my bag is the lip balm. Actually, I can't live without my lip balm. It is my most important thing in my bag. Lip balm is not just a thing for me, it is an organ for me. So yeah, it's important and you should keep moisturizing your lips. Then I have a small pocket size mirror in my bag. And yeah, one more pocket perfume. And then I have a pen in my bag to write some stuff in my diary. And I have my old paid bills. I think I have to throw it, but मैंने फेंका ही नहीं, बहुत time हो गया. And then I have this hair clutch. So that's all that I carry in my bag. So it was all about today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.